Hey, what's up everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne. I'm here with yet another unboxing. I'm not sure where this shipped from, but this is an Amazon Prime box. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other unboxings. Not sponsored by anything in here, but I would love to be. Leave a comment below if any of these products are something you enjoy. So I've got a senior kitty. She's my baby. And I got her some snacks. So I got her Delectables stew, lickable treats. Got chicken with tuna. So this is with chicken and tuna. And variety is the key to life. So just getting her some random different ones that, her teeth are a little sensitive. She can eat, meat, but it's just nice to try different stuff. Got her some Delectable stew lickable treat with chicken and veggies. Got 2 12 packs. She really loves this. This is Sheba pate and natural juices. So this is 12 twin packs of delicate salmon entree, 6 twin packs of signature seafood entree, and 6 twin packs of tender whitefish and tuna entree. Got some more jerky. I'm a big fan. I got Jack's Link's Tender Cuts Prime Rib. And also, this is a new to me item. This is Blue Diamond Almonds Bold Spicy Dill Pickle. I actually got one for me and one for my best friend Zaria. I'm going to give it as a birthday gift to her, but looks pretty yummy. I can't wait to try these. I'm fasting right now. I'm so hungry. But as always, I want to say thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. Let me know what you guys think of these products. Blue Diamond, Jack's Link's Jerky, Pate, or Sheba pate, or Delectables. If you want to sponsor my videos, let me know. Please share. Go to onceuponatea.net or riptapparel.com, riptapparel.com, or onceuponatea.net. Find your shirt of choice. Use my username London Hawthorne. You'll save some money off your shirt, and I get a couple bucks in credit. Thanks so much for watching, and wish you the best. Cash at me at London Hawthorne. I'm just kidding. Well, I'm serious. But have a great one. I appreciate everyone who watches my videos.